everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hello gems, welcome to another travel video, and this is about the Holiday Inn Express and Suite in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to give you all the details of the hotel, the amenities, and take you on a tour. Now here are some of the features. This is located at 3025 North Rocky Point Drive East. Some of the amenities are complimentary breakfast, free transportation that would pick you up if you are landing at Tampa International Airport. There's no parking fees, and they also have a pool, a fitness center, and a hot tub. Great amenities for this Holiday Inn Express, and this is a 3-star hotel, and the prices range from $90 a night. So here is what the lobby area looks like, where you check in and where you can chill out and relax by yourself or with your family. And here is the area that has the complimentary breakfast. They had many different things, so you just go and check out and get the things that you want. And here are some more items. You know, it varies from day to day. It's not always the same thing. And here are the rooms. This one is a bayside room, which gives you the view of the Tampa Bay area, the water. You can see the highway and everything. This is a bay room. And then this is a view of what it looks like in the bathroom. Another shot of what it looks like from the door looking into the bathroom area. And this is the area where you can see the sinks, the vanity area, the mirror. And then this one is a standard room, which kind of gives you the view of just the parking lot. You don't get a view of the water. It depends on what you want to get and what is your price range. channel member shout out. Tasha T, Nick the Great Podcast 2.0, Always That Girl 1, Sandra J8113, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, First Lady, Pink Parisian Visionaire, Tracy Positive Corner, Lara Boss Killer, Kicking It with the Rooks, Just Call Me Sammy. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.